So already we have discussed the definition of the function. F from S set A to B. A is called the domain, B is called the codomain, F is a function from A to B. What is function? Suppose this is A, this is B. Every element of A is associated with an element of B. Then that function is that relation is called a function. So here we have to discuss about the types of functions. So first one is constant function. So already I have told that it is a domain, it is a codomain. All the elements of A should associate with an element, not more than one element, right? So it is a function. It is not a function, but it is a function. So we should have in our mind that is all the elements should associate with an element. So it is function, it is not a function, right? Types of functions. First, constant function. That means this is A, this is B. The domain has more than one element. Suppose B has more than one element, but all the elements of A are associated with a single element C. That function is called constant function. So suppose the constant may be equal to 0. That function is called zero function. So for this constant function, the range is C. The range is the set C, singleton set, right? For the zero function, the range is singleton zero element, that is an set with zero element, right? Then second one, these two are the same type. So second one is identity function. F of x equal to x. That means 1 tends to 1, 2 associated with 2, 3 associated with 3, 4 associated with 4. So this type of function. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Suppose if you want to draw the graph, so this is a graph for identity function. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. All the elements should associate with itself. That function is called identity function. What is the range? That is the real function. Domain is R. The range is same R. Domain and the range are equal. The domain is equal to the range set. So that is called identity. Okay. Absolute value function or modulus function. Modulus function. That means f of x equal to modulus x or f of x equal to. What does it mean for modulus of x? If it is x, if x greater than or equal to 0, if it is minus x, if x less than 0. So the function has two values. One is x when x greater than or equal to 0. One is minus x if x less than 0. So this is called the modulus function. Suppose if x is greater than 0, that is if you take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 1. So 1 come out, right? Suppose x is equal to minus 1, if you take x is equal to minus 1. So it is less than 0, so minus of minus 1 plus 1. That means minus 1 comma 1. So this is minus 1 comma 1. This is 1 comma 1. If you put x equal to 0, f of x equal to 0. So f of 0, 0. It started from here, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1. Similarly, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. So up to here only. Suppose if you give less than value of x, at the time it becomes another positive, right? If you take x is equal to minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1, so minus 1 comma plus 1. Suppose if you take minus 2 less than 0, therefore minus of minus 2 plus 2, so minus 2 comma plus 2, it is in the point here. So this is the graph for absolute value function. Absolute value function. Signum function. So f of x equal to step function is here, right? Greatest integer function. Signum function. F of x equal to modulus of x by x, where x not equal to 0, equal to 0, where x is equal to 0. Modulus of x already we have discussed. Modulus of x has two values. One is minus x, one is plus x. When minus x, x less than 0. When plus x, x greater than 0. So it has three values. Suppose x less than 0. X less than 0. Or x greater than, if you take x greater than 0, it becomes x. So x by x. So that is equal to 1. Right? X less than 0. So minus x by x. So equal to minus 1. X equal to 0, already it has the value 0. So the range set is minus 1, 0, 1. So that means only 3 values are the range. If you take x is equal to 5, 5 is greater than 0. For that value above x equal to 1 only. So 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1. Right? 0, 0. What about minus? If you take minus 1, for x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. X is less than 0. So for x is equal to x less than 0, the value of f of x is minus 1. Similarly, if you take x equal to 1, we take x equal to 1, 1, 1. So 0, 0. So it starts from here. This is signal function. The range set is minus 1, 0, 1. What is greatest integer function? Another one is greatest integer function. F of x equal to the simple greatest integer function is simple. Here already we have used the modulus x here. So the square bracket with the x. It is another name for greatest function is step function, right? So what is the meaning for this greatest integer function? F of x equal to x if x is an integer. If x is an integer means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So suppose x is not an integer. X is not an integer. What is the value for f of x? An integer immediately on the left of x. Immediately on the left of x. Suppose x is equal to minus 7 by 2. What is the image for x is equal to minus 7 by 2? Minus 7 by 2 is nothing but minus 7 by 2. Suppose this is 0, minus 3.5. This is minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2. Then an integer immediately on the left of x. So minus 3.5 is here. The left of minus 3.5, the nearest integer is minus 4. Right? Similarly, suppose 17 by 3. What is the image for 17 by 3 under greatest integer function? So 17 by 3 is nothing but 5.6. Okay. What is 5.6? Here 5.6. An integer immediately on the left of x. So 5.6 left, the nearest integer is 5. So this is the steps to get f of x. Okay. So all are integers. It makes all the fraction numbers or decimal numbers into integer. So the range set is a closed interval 0, the open interval infinity. So range set is 0, infinity. Domain is real number. Domain is real number. Range set is 0, infinity. All the problems are here. We have studied only the function of a function is from R to R or any subset. Suppose x tends to 0. This is real valued function. This is real valued function. This is real number. X is any set. F is a function from x to R. Then f is real valued. This x is a subset of R. Suppose x is a subset of R. Then this f is a real function. At the time the f is called real function. Any set R is real number. Then f is real valued function. Suppose x is a subset of R, or suppose it may be R. At that time f is called real function. Polynomial function. Suppose f of x equal to x squared minus x plus 2. So this is a polynomial. Suppose if put x equal to 1, put x equal to 2, we can get at the time f of x, f of 1, f of 2. So at the time we have got some parabola. So y is equal to x squared is equal to, so it may be a parabola of this type. Since here we are having the square of x squared, it may be this type of parabola, not this function, right? Polynomial function. Rational function is what? F of x by g of x. This is rational function. Suppose r of x equal to x squared by 2x plus 3, suppose, or is any function. So numerator is also a function, denominator is also another one function. So what is this is rational function. The denominator should not be equal to 0. So this is rational function.